Now we will move on to the second question. So a line CD 80 mm long has its end C 20 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP. The line is inclined 45 degrees to HP and 35 degrees to VP. Draw its projection. So let's move on to AutoCAD. So first command, units. So units, decimal, precision 0, millimeter. Okay. Next, limits. Limits, left hand side corner 0, 0, right hand side corner 297, 210. Enter. Now zoom all. Enter. Now line. Line. Reference line, XY line. Line. Any length. Enter. Now next, above HP, above HP, 20 mm above HP, 25 mm in front of a VP. So above is 20 mm. So go snap off. Go snap off. So above is 20 mm. Enter. Escape. Again line. Now go snap on. Down 25 mm. Enter. On horizontal line. Enter. Now inclination to HP. The line is 45 degrees to HP. 45 degrees to HP. 35 degrees to VP. So 45 degrees to HP. So polar tracking 45 degrees. Okay. Line. Now angle we have to rotate to 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Now length 80 mm. Escape. Now this point is C dash, and this point is D1 dash. Next, line. So here we have to draw a inclination of 35 degrees. In polar tracking, there is no standard 35 degrees. So we have to use polar coordinates for drawing the inclined line. So line. So starting point. So what is the command? At the rate. So we have to type at the rate, magnitude 80 mm, lesser than angle. We have to give minus 35. If you type 35, it will take it as anti-clockwise direction. We want clockwise rotation. So minus 35. So when you give minus 35, you will get a inclination angle of 35 degrees. Now we have to rotate this rotation line method. So from here, so before that we have to draw locus of point D in top view. So I will draw one locus line. This is locus line for top view and another locus line for front view for D, because this line is C and D. Now vertical line from here till here, and another vertical line for the here till this line. Now cutting the arc. So circle with radius. So circle with radius. So starting point and radius up to here. I think over. Now circle. So from here till here. Are you confused? No, I think. Okay. Next is trim. Next, trim. So this circle. If you are confused, I will press Ctrl Z. So first we will trim this. Okay. So this arc. Enter. This arc over. Now delete this circle. Delete. So from here till here one arc is over. Another arc circle. To here. Okay. So here till here. The arc. Now next is trim. Enter. Over. Delete the line. Now this is D dash. So color change. So I will change it to red color. Line. So this is the front view. This is the front view. And top view. This is the top view. So for checking, these two should be 90 degrees. So for checking purpose, I'll choose some other color. Okay. So this point, here it is showing 90 degrees. So it is correct. So these both are straight. Now next is lettering and dimension. So now lettering. So text. So text, single line text. Okay, we will change. I will change the color. So shall we use green? Okay, green color. So text. So specify the point. So click the point. Now it will ask the height. So you give 3 mm, 3 mm or 5 mm. You give the height. Now enter. Now it is asking the rotation. So most of the people are not giving the angle 0. So angle 0. Enter. Now to type the letter. So what is this point? C dash. C dash. Small letter we have to use. So C dash. This point is C dash. Moving this. This is C dash. Next text. Single line text. First C dash and text, single line text. So this point. Okay, height 3, angle of rotation 0. Now this one is C1 dash. C1 dash. This point. C1 dash. This point is C. Sorry. D. Sorry. This is D dash. D dash. Okay. This one we have to delete it. This is C dash and this one is D1 dash. D1 dash, and this line is locus of D in front view. Locus line of D in front view. Next, this point x and y reference line, and here this point is C, and this one is, let's have D2, and this point is D. This is red line as the front view. Sorry, top view. So this CD is the top view and C dash D dash is the front view. Now from here, this point. So this point is D1, and from here this point is D2 dash. This is D2 dash. I think all the markings, lettering, I think I have completed. If anything I have missed, you do it in your problem. Now next one is dimension. So, next one is dimension. So, angular dimension. So true length. So it is not visible. So what command we have to use? Dim style. So dimension style. So command is dim style. Enter. Now we have to click on modify. Symbols, arrows. I'll make it as 3 mm. Text height is also some 3 mm. Primary units 0. Okay. Now after viewing modify, we have to press on set current. Close. Now the dimension is visible. So 80 mm is the true length. So next, front view. Front view you are getting 66 mm, and the true length here also it is 80. This is top view. Top view is 57. Now this dimensioning we have missed. So linear dimension. Twenty mm. Again linear 25 mm. Last dimension is missing. So naming the part. So specify the starting point, height 3 mm. So what it is? So C dash. So C dash D dash or the front view. Front view. Next one is D dash. Sorry, CD is top. CD is top. So I think we have solved the second problem. Okay, a line CD 80 mm. This problem also we have solved. Thank you. If you feel it will be useful for your friends, please share and forward to your friends. Thank you.